Hello, Doug Jones here at Mortgage Magic. For years, it seems like for years, I would tell people, put off buying your car, put off that expensive car payment until you buy your house. And the car payment was the biggest killer of people buying houses or refinancing. You know, that's changed. This past couple of years, I've had more than maybe a couple of handfuls, maybe 20, maybe 30 people I could not help because of the student loan. And in loans, we have rules. We have the income.go box, we have the credit box, we have the equity box, and then we have the rules box. Well, the student loan box is an interesting rules box because it penalizes people, and I'm going to show you what I mean. If a person has a student loan of $45,000 and they make payments of $178, that's good. Maybe I qualified that person for a mortgage, but I can't use the $178 because of the rules by Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA. I have to use 1%, and I have to use $450 against that debt ratio against that person. So what that means is, what it means in truth is a lot of people have fallen out of being able to qualify. I have a customer who has $100,000 in student loans. She only pays $142. She will only pay $142 for the next 3 years. Then she'll never pay again because the profession she's in allows that loan to be forgiven. However, I have to count over $1,000 against her debt ratio, and because of that, there's no way she qualifies. Just can't make the numbers work. So what does a student do? What does a young person do when they have a student loan and they need more income? Well, the answer in most cases that we've been able to resolve is a non-occupant co-borrower. Fannie Mae, or not Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA allow non-occupant co-borrowers. The thing you want to look for in non-occupant co-borrower is a person, probably a family member, but a person who has pretty good income, excellent credit, and not much debt. Because what they're going to do, they're going to add all the income and all the debt together to compute the debt ratio. So I don't want to confuse you, but all I want to say is that if you have a student loan, be aware that the debt ratio, when we compute your debt ratio, we're going to use 1% of that student loan balance, no matter if you don't make payments or not. We still have to use 1% of that, and that is going to throw a lot of people out of the market for buying a home. The answer for that is a non-occupant co-borrower. Of course, every situation is different. Give me a call, 408-209-6773, and I'll be glad to wade through the waters with you and hopefully get you into a home.